Did you know one of the most world-changing kitchen gadgets started with a melted candy bar in a man's pocket? In 1945, an engineer named Percy Spencer was working with radar equipment at Raytheon when he noticed something weird. The candy bar in his pocket had turned into goo. Not from body heat. Not from the sun. From the invisible energy coming off a powerful radar component called a magnetron. Because here's the wild part. Most people would have tossed the candy bar and moved on. Spencer didn't. He got curious in the most dangerous way possible. He started feeding snacks to a radar machine. First, he tried popcorn kernels. And right there in the lab, they began popping like tiny fireworks. That's not just a funny moment. It's the instant he realized microwaves could slip inside food and heat it fast. Then came the egg. He put an egg near the energy source to see what would happen. And it exploded so violently, it splattered right into the face of a coworker who leaned in to watch. So yes, the microwave oven's origin story includes both popcorn and an egg-based jump scare. Now, Spencer needed a way to control this invisible cooking power, because stand near the radar and hope dinner cooks wasn't exactly a product. So he created a simple but brilliant test. He funneled microwave energy into a sealed metal box so the waves couldn't escape. When food went into the box, its temperature shot up quickly. That's the basic idea behind every microwave you've ever used. Keep the microwaves contained, let the food absorb the energy, and let physics do the rest. And this is where it gets even more water-cooler facts-worthy. The first microwave ovens were not cute countertop boxes. They were monsters. Raytheon filed the key patent for microwave cooking on October 8, 1945. And soon after, the company built the first commercial microwave oven called the Radarange, marketed in 1947. This thing was about 6 feet tall, weighed around 750 pounds, about 340 kilograms, and cost thousands of dollars, more like buying a car than a kitchen appliance. It also needed water cooling because early microwaves ran hot in more ways than one. So if you're imagining a cheerful 1950s family warming up leftovers in 30 seconds, not yet. At first, these machines were aimed at places like restaurants, ships, and big cafeterias. Anywhere feeding lots of people fast was a major advantage. In other words, the microwave began life as industrial tech that slowly shrank, softened, and moved into the home. And it's kind of poetic. A device born from wartime radar research ends up becoming the king of late-night snacks. But the real magic isn't just the machine, it's the mindset. The microwave wasn't invented by someone trying to revolutionize cooking. It was invented by someone who refused to ignore a weird little accident. One melted candy bar turned into a chain reaction that changed how the world eats. So next time your coffee goes cold and you hit that 30-second button, just remember, you're using a piece of radar-era science that started with pocket chocolate and ended with popcorn. Question for you. What's the one thing you use your microwave for the most? Leftovers, coffee, popcorn, or something unusual? Thanks for hanging out with Watercooler Facts. If you want more strange origin stories hiding in everyday life, stick around.